Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off get-up reminders on Oppo smartwatches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You do this from the Heytap health app, so open up the app on your phone. Tap Manage in the bottom right corner. Then tap Workout and Health from the menu. Tap Get Up Reminders. Now tap the toggle to the right of Get Up Reminders to turn it off. When the toggle is grayed out, Get Up Reminders are switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo watch tips and tricks.